Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Notion with Slack account. So here you can see that I am on the dashboard of my Notion workspace. So if you want to integrate Slack with it, for that you need to go to your new tab and then search for Zapier. So those who don't know, Zapier is the best integration tool that you can find in the market. So once you are here, you need to click on get started for free because you want to create a new account. So click on it and this will take you up to the sign up page. I will go with my Facebook. So I will meet you after I have signed up. So here you can see that I have signed up on the Zapier. So after you have signed up, now you need to click on create Zap in the left panel. And here you need to search for Notion. And here you go, Notion is appearing. And here you need to add the event that will happen. New database item, I will choose it. And then click on continue. And here you need to connect your Notion. Click on select pages, Notion, allow access, and there I have connected my Notion account. Then click on continue. Here you need to choose the trigger. You can choose whatever you like. I will choose the task list and then click on continue. So now Zapier will run a test trigger so that it can find out that everything is working well. So it is working well, then click on continue. And here you need to search for Slack. And here you need to choose the event. I will choose send a direct message. Then here you need to click on continue. So now you need to connect your Slack account. Then allow access. Click on allow. So after that you need to click on continue. And here you need to set up your action. Which means that what will happen on Slack when this is happening on Notion. So here you need to set up the action. If you want to send multi messages, you can choose a username to which you want to send your direct message. If you want to send as a bot, you can choose all of the settings here and you can explore it on your own according to your requirements. So you can change the name of this Zap as well by clicking on the pencil icon. I will write Notion to Slack. So after you have done all of this, you need to click on fix to publish. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next tutorial.